Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Amazon Fire HD 10, and now I can show you how to improve this tablet stability, how to make this tablet faster. So firstly, we need to remember the one rule. So never fill up the storage, internal storage, over than 70% full. So every device you have, iPhone, Windows device, macOS device, Android device, all of these devices are working good when you are not filling your internal storage over the 70%. After this point, your device will start to slowing down. So open settings and find here storage. And as you can see, I have 326 gigabytes of 26 and half. So as you can see, I have really, so I will try to show you again. I have no any applications in my device, so I have a new device, so maybe not new, but after factory reset, so I don't have any features that are consuming my internal storage. The second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. So to improve your RAM, you need to click on the square button to see your recently apps and close all apps. In this way, you can speed up your RAM. And of course, the last aspect is the harmful apps and files. You need to download only trustful apps, only from trust app stores. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.